what advice would you give to like a designer today? Because I know a lot of designers listen.
Yeah. I would say honestly, just do good work and show people, like really take advantage of social media. You know,
You know
and
what?
another,
Sorry to interrupt, but one of the
yeah,
things I used to tell that to designers. I'm like, you just post everything you create. And I think there's this weird feeling where like, once I put it out of the world, someone could copy it. And I just think that's the best way to get noticed, is to get copied. Like,
yeah,
who cares
no.
if everyone copies you? That's
Yeah,
great.
yeah, I definitely had that feeling when I first started, just scared to show my artwork because, we're artists. You don't want to be criticized. You don't want somebody to steal your stuff. You hear all these stories. But honestly, I just think if you're trying to do it today, especially today, is definitely put it out, show people, and definitely pick a niche. I think picking a niche is the most important thing you could do as an artist.
Yeah.
As much as I hear artists say they want to do their own thing and not be limited. But like, if you look at Amazon, it started off with books, right? If you look at LeBron, it started off with basketball. So you got to start somewhere before you branch off to do all these other things. I think that applies for artists.
Oh, wow. That's incredible advice.